Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. Got our scratch coat on the top of our wall. Got a little scratch coat here. Get a little sample spot. Got these cracks. You do first go along and apply a scratch coat over everything, over this whole entire wall, usually a few coats, and then we'll put on a waterproofing product. This one's going to have some color. The whole wall will look like this here, kind of before and after. And this wall down here is leaned out too far, so we're going to have to form and pour a sister wall on this side. You can follow this project, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link, and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of our projects. Need our help? Give us a call.